Yo, what is good everyone, and welcome back to another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we're going to be highlighting a line that's flown somewhat under the radar, our accessories, our silver goods to be specific. Between our lines of denim, cargos, outerwear, sweatshirts, and tees, it's easy to overlook our other offerings such as our chains. A chain is important because it can totally change the vibe and feel of your outfit. With the right accessory, you can tell a different story altogether, which leads me to our first piece of the day. This is the A7 wallet chain. The A7 wallet chain is constructed of stainless steel throughout, all the way through each swivel clip at each end. Measuring at 65 centimeters or approximately 25.6 inches in length, the A7 wallet chain is the perfect length to add a bit of dimension to your bottoms without hanging too low or being any kind of inconvenience, whatever height you are. Here, I am wearing a vintage tee alongside our B118 flare denim. Now, if you did want to go with a bit more of a mature look, you can easily swap out that pair of denim for a pair of X denim, as you can see here, and a pair of boots. Here I am wearing our harness boot. This shows how versatile the A7 wallet chain is and how something as simple as silver can add a whole new dimension to any outfit. Now, switching it up to neckwear, we have here the A3 long rope chain. As its name entails, the A3 long rope chain features a rope-shaped design and is on the longer side. I recommend this chain to anyone who's looking to make a statement with their accessory, as its longer nature draws a bit more of attention while its simplistic design isn't doing too much. The A3 long rope chain is comprised of 100% stainless steel and measures at 60 centimeters or approximately 23.6 inches in length. Next, we have two of probably our most popular chains, the Cubans. Just like the rest of the pieces we touched on today, the A4 long Cuban chain and the A6 short Cuban chain is constructed of 100% stainless steel. While their styles are similar, I'd like to say they have different uses. The A4 long chain is fantastic as a standalone chain. Its length is great because it's at 60 centimeters or 23.6 inches to add a subtle detail to any outfit. But for the A6 short chain, it's equally as versatile but shorter. One of my favorite things to do with a chain like this is to stack them. The A4 short Cuban chain is the perfect length for stacking, as its short in length allows for an additional staggering effect between each necklace, as it does measure out to 45 centimeters or approximately 17.7 inches, which actually makes for the perfect length when it comes to layering or stacking. I'm actually wearing it as we speak with my vintage cross necklace, so it is definitely a very good chain to stack with. Now, on the subject of layering chains, this next piece embodies the look to a T, but is actually just one inseparable chain. Two for the price of one. I'm definitely not mad at that. This is the A1 double chain, and as revealed in the name, the A1 double chain is constructed with two different types of stainless steel connected by a spring clasp. The shorter chain is about 50 centimeters or approximately 19.7 inches, and the longest chain is 60 centimeters or approximately 23.6 inches. This chain is perfect for those who want to achieve that layering or stacking look, but want to do so in the most financially efficient way possible without sacrificing in style or quality. Now, if you're really into stacking, or if you just want to add a definitely unique final touch to any of your outfits, try on the A9 quad chain. Quad as in 4. The A4 quad chain is constructed of 4 different stainless steel links that are interlocked and open at its clasp. The longest chain is 66.5 centimeters or approximately 21.6 inches, and the shortest chain is 45 centimeters or approximately 17.7 inches in length. Just like the A1 double chain, The A9 chain is inseparable, which is great because you won't have to worry about losing or getting any of these chains mixed up with any others. Something I am definitely prone to doing all the time. And with all that being said, that was the last accessory of today's video. I know it was a shorter one, but hopefully you guys still did enjoy it. If you did and you want to continue to see our latest and greatest here from Minimal, definitely let us know by hitting that thumbs up button and let us know in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to have everything I showed here in today's video linked below, so feel free to check that out. And as always, I'll see you guys again next week for another Minimal Monday.